Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're watching this video, you're probably thinking about giving CAT again in 2026, maybe. You gave it in 2025 and things didn't go as planned, or maybe you weren't fully prepared and now you're seriously considering a second shot. Either way, you're in the right place because today, we're diving deep into how to approach CAT 2026 as a second-time aspirant, and more importantly, how to absolutely crush it this time around. Trust me, your first attempt has already given you a hidden advantage, and we're going to unlock it together. Now, before we go into the strategy, let me tell you something. You are not alone. Thousands of students every year give CAT multiple times, and some of the highest scorers are repeaters. The reason is simple. The first attempt teaches you what no coaching class or book can. It shows you your real-time strengths and weaknesses under pressure. And that is gold if used wisely. So if your 2025 score didn't land you in your dream B school, don't beat yourself up. Instead, treat that experience as your first real lesson in CAT prep. Now, let's start by identifying what went wrong in 2025. Was it the lack of consistent practice? Was it weak concepts in quant? Maybe you underestimated the importance of mocks, or maybe it was all about time management and exam pressure. These are the areas you need to diagnose honestly and early so that your 2026 journey is focused and sharp. And here's the truth, CAT doesn't require you to be the smartest person in the room. It needs you to be the most strategic, the most consistent, and the most self-aware. This time, you already know what to expect. You know the exam pattern, the question types, the pressure, the fatigue, the anxiety, the highs and the lows. You know what a mock test feels like and how unpredictable the VARC section can be. You also know how brutal the DILR sets can get and how every second counts in QA. So now that you've survived one CAT attempt, you've built a mental muscle, and that is your biggest asset for CAT 2026. This time, the goal is not just hard work, it's optimized effort. It's about fixing what went wrong and scaling what already works for you. Let's talk about prep strategy. Now, assuming you're starting your prep mid-2025, that gives you roughly 5 to 6 months of full prep time plus 1 month of revision and mocks, which is more than enough if done right. Step 1. Identify your weak and strong areas. Don't assume. Go back to your previous mock results and analyze your performance area by area, topic by topic. Set up a Google Sheet if needed and track your accuracy and speed across each topic. This data is going to be your prep compass. Step to customize your study plan. This is not your first attempt, so you don't need to go through every topic from scratch. Unless your basics are weak, focus only on those areas where your accuracy is under 70% and prioritize them in the first 2 months. Use sectional tests more than full-length mocks early on to rebuild confidence in individual areas. For example, if VARC was your weak spot in CAT 2025, then commit to reading editorials daily, practicing RCS every alternate day, and solving parajumbles and summary questions regularly. And don't ignore vocabulary. Even though CAT is not vocabulary, building a better word bank improves comprehension, speed, and confidence. Now for DILR, this is where most repeaters improve the most in their second attempt, because the first time fear is gone. Now you've seen the worst, and you know what type of sets kill time. So practice not just random sets but timed sets with selection. Focus, start choosing the right sets quickly and move on. If it doesn't click in 3 minutes, build your set selection muscle. That's the real game changer. Now QA, the one section that terrifies many aspirants, especially if you're from a non-engineering background. Here's the deal. QA in CAT is not G-level, it's logic-based, arithmetic-heavy, and very pattern-driven. So again, identify your weak chapters. Maybe it's time, speed, distance, or number systems, or geometry. Focus on them for the first 2 months and take daily 30-minute topic-wise quizzes. Don't forget to revise solved questions, because QA is where memory retention plays a huge role. Now let's talk mocks. In your second attempt, mocks become your best friend and your biggest teacher. Don't wait till October to start mocks. Begin giving them by August. And initially focus not on the score, but on strategy. Use the first 4 to 5 mocks to experiment. Should you start with VARC or QA? Should you skim all questions first or go sequentially? Should you solve RCs first or last? Figure out your flow, your rhythm, and your energy cycle during those 2 hours. And yes, analyze every mock like it's a post-mortem. Note down what worked, what didn't, what cost you time, what confused you, and what could have been avoided. This analysis is where the score boost really comes from, and as you go deeper into the prep, say by October and November, increase mock frequency to twice a week, then 3 times a week. By mid-November, revise mock mistakes, regularly build your own question bank of incorrect or confusing questions and revise that weekly. Now let's not forget the mental side of CAT. The second attempt can come with extra pressure sometimes. Self-doubt creeps in, like, should I even do this again? What if I fail again? Or what if I'm just not good At Cat, let me tell you, that is normal, but you've got to override that inner voice with discipline, mindset, and purpose. Write down. Why you're doing this. Is it because you want to get into a top IIM? Is it because you want a better shot at placements? Or a better career path? Keep that reason in front of you. Maybe stick it on your wall or make it your phone wallpaper. Whenever you feel demotivated, look at it, because this second attempt is not a repeat. It's a redemption. It's a redemption attempt. And you're coming back smarter, sharper, and stronger this time. Also stay connected with other serious aspirants. Not toxic comparison circles, but genuine peer groups, where you can discuss doubts, share resources, and exchange mock feedback. That community vibe will keep your momentum high. And finally, stay healthy. Don't sacrifice sleep over prep. Don't live on caffeine and stress. Cat is a marathon, not a sprint, and your brain needs rest, nutrition, and balance to perform at its best. Keep one day a week as a chill day just to recharge without guilt, because recovery is part of progress. Alright, if you've made it this far, you're clearly serious about your Cat 2026 attempt, and that's half the battle. Remember, Cat doesn't test perfection. It tests decision-making under pressure. If you stay consistent, analyze, smart, and respect the process, your percentile will take care of itself and the doors to your dream B-School will open. All the best for your 2026 Cat Prep. I believe in you, and I hope you do too. Drop your doubts in the comments. I'll reply to as many as I can, and if this video helped you, hit like, share it with a fellow repeater, and don't forget to subscribe for more real talk on Cat Prep. See you in the next video, and until then, keep hustling and keep believing.